Good morning guys! For today's video, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-install ng Microsoft Copilot and how to use it. First of all is punta tayo sa Play Store and search natin Microsoft Copilot and install natin siya. Installing na siya. Pagka-install niya is hintay natin siya, wait natin siya ma-install and open, click open. Yan, Copilot, and please continue. Like these apps and try natin siya mag-voice over. Kung gusto nyo mag-sign in kayo. Mag-chat na lang tayo. Voice. Anything. It's magta-type na lang ako instead na mag-voice ako. What are the most common Merit natin siya. Always, may volcano kagsawaran, sumlambi, and yes. Lalabas yung mga sikat na search nyo. And kung gusto nyo mag-sign in guys, mag-sign in kayo dito. Kunyari, itong voice. What is no wait who is the president of the Philippines? Ginamit natin ang voice natin para mag-search at bibigyan tayo ng answer ng Copilot. Yan. The current president of the Philippines is Bongbong Marcos. He was been in office since June 13, 2022. And yun lang guys for today's video. God bless. Thank you for watching and love you.